Hello, my friends. My name is Zahir Abbas. Today, I would like to teach you the Spanish alphabet because if you want to learn any language, you want to speak any language, before this, that is very important. You should know the alphabet, that language. If you don't know the alphabet of that language, you can never speak that language, and you can never speak, and you can never understand that language. So let us start the video. Uh, this is written A, but in English language, A is pronounced in Spanish language A. Are you getting what I am saying to you? A is pronounced in Spanish language A. And next, B. B is pronounced in Spanish language B. B is pronounced in Spanish language B. Next, C. C is pronounced in Spanish language C. And CH. CH is pronounced in Spanish language Che. And next, D. D is pronounced in Spanish language De. Okay, are you understanding? E. E is pronounced in Spanish language A. In English, this will be pronounced E. But in Spanish, this will be pronounced A. Next, F. F is pronounced in Spanish language F. That is so different. F is pronounced in Spanish language F. And next, G. G is pronounced in Spanish language K. That is very interesting letter. In English, this is pronounced G, but in Spanish, G is pronounced K, not G, K. And next, H. H is pronounced in Spanish H. In English, this is H, but in Spanish, H is pronounced H. And next, I. I is pronounced in Spanish language E. I is pronounced in Spanish language E. Next, J. J is pronounced in Spanish language Khota. That is very interesting letter. In English, we pronounce this J, but J is pronounced in Spanish language Khota. Are you understanding what I am saying to you? Because you have to listen every pronunciation very clearly. If you don't pay attention what I am pronouncing, you can mistake. So for knowing any language, that's a very important. Pay attention on my tongue, on my accent, what I am pronouncing. Let us start. J is pronounced in Spanish language Khota. And next, K. K is pronounced in Spanish language Ka. K is pronounced in Spanish language Ka. And next, L. L is pronounced in Spanish language LA. L is pronounced in Spanish language LA. Double L, this is written double L. Are you watching on my whiteboard? This is written double L. Double L is pronounced in Spanish language Ella and Eja. Once again, I would like to repeat you. Double L is pronounced in Spanish language Ella or Eja. Both are correct. The two types of pronunciation. Double L have two types of pronunciations. Okay. Now M. M is pronounced in Spanish language MA. M is pronounced in Spanish language MA. And next, N. N is pronounced in Spanish language N. N is pronounced in Spanish language N, and this N will be pronounced in Spanish language Na. This N will be pronounced Na, and this will be pronounced Na. O. O is pronounced in Spanish language O. O is pronounced in Spanish language O. And next, P. P is pronounced in Spanish language P. Q. Q is pronounced in Spanish language Q. R. R is pronounced in Spanish language R. This is written R, but for English, R will be pronounced in Spanish language R. Now next, S. S is pronounced in Spanish language ese. S is pronounced in Spanish language ese. And next, T. T is pronounced in Spanish language te. T is pronounced in Spanish language te. Next, U. U is pronounced in Spanish language u. U is pronounced in Spanish language u. Next, V. V is pronounced in Spanish language ue. V is pronounced in Spanish language ue. And next, W. W is pronounced in Spanish language ue doble. That is very interesting letter. Now pay attention and how to pronounce. Very clearly you have to pay attention what I am saying to you, what I am pronouncing. W is pronounced in Spanish language ue doble. And next, X. X is pronounced in Spanish language X. X is pronounced in Spanish language X. And next, Y. This is written Y, but for English. Y is pronounced in Spanish language Y. Y is pronounced in Spanish language Y. And next, Z. Z is pronounced in Spanish language zeta. That is the last word. That is the last letter. Z is pronounced in Spanish language zeta. Now I hope that what I explained to you, you are getting. So once again I would like to explain you with me. Please do practice. A, B, C, Ch, D, A, F, and K. H, E, khota, K, L, Eja, R, Eja, both kinds. M, N, N, O. P, Q, R, S, T, U, ue. Ue doble, X, and Y, zeta. What I explained, try to understand and focus on my accent, what I spoke, what I pronounced. Gracias.